And fellow citizens, myself Vedika Pawar from 9B. Today we have gathered here to commemorate 76th Indian Independence Day. Our hearts are filled with an overwhelming sense of pride and gratitude. We stand united, paying homage to all courageous patriots who valiantly fought and made immense sacrifice to free our beloved motherland from the clutches of the British colonial rule. This day stands not only as a historical milestone, but as a resounding testament to the triumph of bravery, unity, and resilience, symbolizing our inherent right of self-determination and the fundamental principle of humanity that bind us together as a nation. We stand here today on the shoulders of giants like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and Lal Bahadur Shastri, who guided us with the noble principles of non-violence, justice, and inclusivity. Their unwavering commitment to truth and justice continues to inspire us to this day. India's strength lies in its unparalleled diversity, a rich mix of culture, tradition, languages, belief, and many more. On this occasion, let us promise to embrace this diversity and never lose this diversity which we are known for. India's journey towards independence was long and arduous, but it was full of determination, sacrifices, and dedication to a cause greater than oneself, a free and democratic India. As a responsible citizen, it is upon us to uphold these democratic values, secular ideals, and the principle of justice that India stands for. Let us vow to be law-abiding, compassionate, and environmentally conscious of our incredible India. Education serves as a bedrock of our nation's progress. It is a powerful instrument of empowerment. It provides our youth the wings to soar to a new height of knowledge, technology, innovation, and creativity. On this occasion, let us know about Chandrayaan-3 mission. On 14 July 2023, the Indian Space Research Organization has successfully launched this mission from Satish Dhawan Space Center, and India has become the only fourth country from the map of the world after United States, Russia, and China to achieve this success. Our scientists have been congratulated by all the dignitaries of the world as well as of our country for their creative power of knowledge. Now we are fifth largest country in the world and will become the third largest economy in 2027-28. India is $3.5 trillion economy today and will become $35 trillion economy by 2047 when we will celebrate 100 years of independence. This year, our government has started Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign, in which nationwide people led Jan Bhagidari initiative to commemorate 75 years of independence of India. The tagline for Meri Mati Mera Desh campaign is Mitti Ko Naman Veeron Ka Vandan. This theme is a finale of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav program, which was started from 12 March 2021. Meri Mati Mera Desh celebrates many historical achievements of our nation. The campaign commemorates unsung heroes of freedom struggle and paying tribute to the Veers who protect our nation. Let us renew our promise to the motherland to serve all its citizens with the best of our capabilities. As an educated youth, let us vow to help the downtrodden to stand up upon their feet on the strength of knowledge and literacy. Independence has given us many benefits, including all the rights to freedom, speech, education, and growth in different sectors like science and technology, economy, sport, culture, infrastructure, and many more. Without a freedom fighter, gaining independence against British rule was quite impossible. For us, it is a beautiful gift of independent India from our martyrs. So, now it is our responsibility to value the independence by doing good deeds like keeping the environment clean, helping the people in need, and following the rules and regulations of our Indian Constitution. Lastly, I would like to say, we, the young generation, are the future of our country. With our talents and sincere efforts toward the country, India can succeed in each and every field. We need to understand the importance of patriotism and the importance of Independence Day in our country. Together in unity, we can definitely strengthen our nation for a beautiful future. Thanking you. Happy Independence Day.